Hi, welcome to the L at City Vista, located at 440 L Street Northwest in Washington, D.C. Today, we're showcasing an amazing 2-bedroom, 2-bath condominium located in wonderful Mount Vernon Triangle. And when it comes to location, this is it. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath condominium checks all the boxes. It has an extra den so that you can have it as your office space. It also has parking, which is premier in downtown Washington, D.C. And to top it all off, it also has storage. Then, on top of everything that I just mentioned, this particular building, the L at City Vista, has a community space, not one, but access to a second one, as well as a library and a rooftop. So when you purchase at the L at City Vista, you're buying into 2 properties with access to 2 roof decks, including a pool and a green space. The L at City Vista is located in the heart of Mount Vernon Triangle, and it's close to everything. You have Safeway, you have Starbucks, you have Chipotle, RPM Italian, busboys and poets, and a baked joint. Also, it's conveniently located close to the convention center. It's close to City Center, and it's close to Chinatown, and it's bounded by New York Avenue, Massachusetts Avenue, and K Street. The L at City Vista is truly a place to call home.